Hello, Namaste, Salam Walaikum, Sastriyakal. Welcome back to another session with your War Chef at wareva.com. Today we are going to learn Vada Adai. What is Vada Adai? We all know how we make Adai nice, big and round. But they also make Adai into small roundels with a hole in the center and that look like Vada. But it is Adai batter on a tawa. That is the reason why we are calling it Vada Adai. They look like rounds like Vada, but they are Adais. First let's learn how to make the batter for this. For this, tuar dal, chana dal. Add rice, the red chilies and curry leaves. We're going to add water. Just wash it once, drain the water, and then again we're going to use fresh water to soak these ingredients. The recipe is also very simple. If you take 1 cup of rice, add 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 1 tablespoon of tuar dal. But you can also increase or decrease the amount of dals depending on the consistency or the texture you want. If you want little crispy, you can increase the rice quantity. If you want it little soft, increase the dal quantities. And in this, we're going to add some salt, hing. Now add so much water that it should little be over the rice. It should not be too much because we added the rice and the hing. You don't want to lose the flavor later by draining the water. After adding this water, you need to soak it for at least 2 hours. 4 hours of overnight is also possible. And by the time all this water will be absorbed. If you have any water left over after soaking it for more than 2-3 hours, that means you added too much water. So don't add too much water, because when you make this batter, you want the batter to be slightly thicker, not like a dosa batter, little bit coarse and thicker. Now look at this batter. This is coarse. This is what we use to make fantastic adais. Now that the batter is all ready, look at this nice coarse paste. In this, we're going to add some chopped onion. We're going to add all the other things also what we add in a regular vada. Add some crushed pepper, some cumin seeds, if you want some coconut, some chopped ginger and some chopped coriander. And we're going to mix this. Now we are going to make our nice vada type adai. For this, just put half a spoon of batter in this, the back of a spoon and make a hole. So you do the same thing with all the batter. Just make this round. If you want to make smaller, you can make smaller or bigger, but I think this much should be good. Now take a spoon, just make holes in the center like this, and now just pour the oil and even on the outside. Now for these adais, we're going to cover it with a big lid because they are spread all over, and now we're going to let this cook for at least 2 to 2.5 minutes on a medium flame. Just remove this and turn the vadai also onto the other side. Slightly more color than what I wanted, but that's okay. Wow. This way your vada adai will be nice and crispy. Even cook on the other side. Other side, because of the uneven texture, you will get little golden color, but that's okay because we nicely cooked with the lid on and with the steam, they have nicely cooked. So this is pretty good enough. Now look at this. This small little vada like looking adai, and wow, they are thick, nice. Wow. You know what? Even though I have coconut chutney here, for this, I like to have it with sambar and some nice spicy kind of chutney. I'm telling you, they will taste fantastic. Wow. Dear friends, I hope you enjoyed this vada adai. The difference is we put coconut, we put pepper, cumin, coriander. Wow, wow, wow. All of this put together, it becomes much more flavorful, much more tasty. I'm telling you, if you regularly make a simple adai, especially for the kids, when they see the small portions, they love to pick up with the hand, run around the house and eat. Dear friends, make it the way you want, but do not forget, Wareva is all about inspiring others to cook. So please post your recipes and cooking tips at wareva.com so others can benefit. from your great cooking. Thank you.